How to add a template to Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a template to Wrike. So kindly watch to the end. Now, templates allows you to create reusable structures for tasks, folders, and projects. And here is how to get about it. The first step is to log in into your Wrike's account, move to the left side of the screen, and then create a tax folder sorry a folder name template. Okay, so you have to create a folder name template. And then how can you do this? You can do this by clicking on the plus icon at the left side of the screen, and then you can see create projects. Just go ahead and select folder and then change the name to templates. Okay, template, and then select the kind of view you want, and then once select the location and click on create. After clicking on create, the folder, the templates folder will be created automatically. And then within the templates folder, you can now create templates, templates, tags, projects, or folders. And then you can customize these items relevant details such as due dates and assignings. So you can start with the first one here by clicking on the plus icon and then entering in a name for the templates. For me, I'm working with tax, and then click on enter, and then open up the tax for further. And then after opening up the tax here, you can now go ahead and assign people to the tax, as well as set your due date, add a description, and even make mentions if needed. And then once you're done, this tax will now be a template. Now once the tax is a template, for you to duplicate it, just select the tax or move to the tax option, and then click on the more option button, and then click on duplicate. And then just like that, this tax will be as a template for the next kind of tax you want. And then click on duplicate, and you can also change the location. Actually, you can change the location other um to other projects or files by clicking on location, and then you can change it to other spaces or projects or folders. But this is how it works. This is how you can add templates in Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.